This is the Realme C33 I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can bypass and turn off the parental controls on this device. So to begin with, I have to note that in order to use the method that will be shown today, you have to for sure know the password to the child's account, otherwise unfortunately it will not work. So with this out of the way, launch settings, enter the Google category, then go for the Manage Your Google Account button over here. Once the Google Account Management Center gets loaded, enter the Data and Privacy page over here, tap on the Delete Your Account, your Google account option at the very bottom. Do not be afraid or freaked out. After we will switch off the parental controls, we will recover the account, so you will not lose it by any means, so do not worry. In here, in order to proceed, we have to enter the password to the child's account. So we'll do that off the screen real quick. In here, scroll the page all the way down, check those two boxes and tap on the Delete Account button. From here, you can get two messages. Both of them are fine, either something went wrong or this one. So the account, the Google account, the child's Google account to be exact, has been successfully erased. It doesn't allow me to use my phone. That's normal because this phone is, well, you know what? Never mind. So if I'll enter the, well, I cannot tap. That's interesting. So let me relaunch the settings once again. So once we will enter the Google category, not only we will not see any accounts linked to our device, we will also realize that the parental controls have been successfully deactivated. So now all that it's left to do for us is to recover the Google account, which you can do by simply using it to log into the Google Play. So I will do exactly that. I will start with entering the email address. Then you'll get the following message, so that says this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. That's fine by us, I guess. Then enter the password. You might get the something went wrong message. That's completely fine. Just repeat the sign-in process real quick. It's not a great deal, not a sign of something wrong occurred, it just happens from time to time. So enter the email, enter the password once again. In here, go for the I agree option, obviously, since there is no alternative one, then accept. And that will be it. The account has been successfully restored. The parental controls are switched off. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye-bye.